my dear learners. How are you all? Welcome to online class with me, Munmun Nahar, lecturer in ICT, Milestone College. I hope you all are fine, safe and sound and busy with your studies. Today's online class is on HTML Dhaka Board Question Solution 2017. So let's start. In STEM, Mr. Shahriar wants to create a small website where institute.png image and following tables with kept. Serial number 1, first table, institute picture, and second table, employee information, ID number 1001 1005, employee name Nafis and Shojo, salary 50,000. A. What is HTML syntax? B. Nowadays, hyperlink is an important element of the web page. Explain. C. Write the HTML code to display the second table Mozilla Firefox web browser. And D. Write the HTML code of the first table necessary information and also write the importance of using image on web page. Now first question, knowledge based question. What is HTML syntax? There are sub-rules of write keyword in HTML language. All these rules are known as HTML syntax. This rule is called the grammar of language and this rule is divide different types of language. Second, comprehensive question. Nowadays, hyperlink is an important element of web page. Explain. In web page, hyperlink is the system of establishing virtual connection among different types of information. Nowadays, hyperlink is an important element in web page because hyperlink makes it very easy to go to different pages of same document of different website. Moreover, it helps to display necessary information within a short time and finally it saves browsing times. C. Write the HTML code to display that second table on Mozilla Firefox web browser. So let's see. HTML code to display information of table 2 of the stem in Mozilla Firefox browser is given. This is HTML coding. First, HTML tag. HTML tag indicates that this web page is written by HTML. That means this page is declared as a HTML document. And this is closing HTML tag indicates the closing of the web page. And this is body opening tag and this is closing tag body. Body tag holds the content of the web page, text, image, link, heading, etc. stay here. And this is table border. Border, this attribute is used to create the table border. Its default size is 1. User can change its size according to his wish. Here I use table border equals to 1. Caption. Employee information and closing caption. Caption determines caption introductory description of the table. This in the stem second table name is employee information. And TR means determine row of the table and TD ID nom and closing TD. TD employee name and closing TD. TD opening TD salary closing TD and closing TR. TD means table determines cell of the table. Opening TR opening TD 1001 closing TD. Opening TD Nafis and closing TD. Opening TD row span equals to 2 50,000 and closing TD. Here is cell that spans 2 rows, Nafis and Shajol, and closing TR. Again opening TR, TD opening 1005 and closing TD, opening TD Shajol and closing TD, and closing TR, closing table, closing body and closing HTML. And D, write the HTML code of the first table, necessary information, and also write the importance of using image on a web page. HTML code to add the picture named institute.jpg in the empty cell of table 1, and also the full code to display all the information of table 1. Here HTML body table border equals to 1, TR table row, opening TD serial nom closing TD, opening TD institute picture closing TD and closing TR, opening TR and opening TD 01 and closing TD, opening TD img image src source equals to institute.png and closing TD, closing TR. Here image tag is used, include image in HTML page. Two attributes of image tag are source and alt. Image tag is empty, that means it only bears attribute and it doesn't have any closing tag. To display any image on page, src attribute is used with opening tag. src means source. The URL of the image that will be displayed on the page is the value of source attribute. And closing table and closing body and closing HTML. Now let's see importance of using image in a web page is given. First, it is very easy to reduce the amount of text in web page using image or graphics. 2. Visitors can easily understand any information if it is displayed through images. 3. Image is one of the best techniques to get attention of the visitors. 4. Image can be used as web page link for navigation tools. Dear students, I hope you understand the class well today. So, no more today. Thank you to all. Allah Hafiz.